Holy shoot. We're back, boys. Sadly, I am on my phone because I forgot my camera at school. So, yeah. But we're back with the G. Sorry I haven't been doing videos with you boys. But today we're going to do something that I kind of been dreading. Let's see if the battery's dead. The battery's dead. Also, look at this. Let me show you something. So, yeah. So that happened. Someone took my side marker. Let's see if the car will start. I've been having issues with drainage of power. Not sure from what, but let's see. I gotta remember, look at the camera because I'm talking to you guys. Let's see if the car will start. Nope. Now we gotta jump it. Be right back. I do want to show you though what I got. It's like little starter. Pretty cool. Got some Dunkin'. Not sponsored by Dunkin'. That'd be cool. I don't really honestly like Dunkin', but yeah. Got this little thing. It's pretty cool, pretty neat, but I'm gonna charge it again. I have my GoPro, but I gotta find my GoPro charger. I think this is the same charger as the GoPro. Actually, I'm gonna go actually get my GoPro and charge it with this. Pretty sure it's a USB-C or whatever connection, but yeah, we're about to go get some gaskets, change some stuff. Let me put my window down. And I'm gonna go get some cardboard boxes. Damn, my hands are already cold. It's like 40 degrees and I have to do this. Also, what's even better is I need a new clutch. And I forgot to check my oil today, but it don't matter because I'm gonna just change the oil too because I'm not dealing with any issues. So yeah, BRB, boys. All right, boys. We got the gaskets. I got some gloves, just like with my fingers out, so because it's low-key cold. And also, I lost my gloves. I never washed them either, so I have a dirty pair in my trunk. I always use this when I change my oil. Changing the oil with Edge 5W30. Anyone wondering? And S6607XL is what the G takes. So doing that, just finished eating Dunkin' at my boy's crib. So but yeah, I do work at AutoZone at the one near my school. It's cool. I need extra money. I made a cool play on stocks today. Made an option play. If anyone's in the options, let me know, because I actually do that shit. So oh, I forgot this was charging. But yeah, all right, let's get started. Let's get our tools out. We're gonna start by taking off. I'll show you when I get there. I'll be right back. All right, boys. So what you're gonna have to do, I'm missing my covers. I don't know where they went. Actually, they were at a shop when my car was in the shop, and I never seen them again. But here's what you gotta do, boys. You gotta take off your plenum, upper plenum, lower plenum, and then the rail. I forget what that's called. And then you gotta just, remove a lot of dumb stuff. Call myself. As you can see, it's leaking bad down there. Over here is leaking pretty bad too. I'm not sure if you can tell from the camera, but it's leaking pretty bad, but it should be pretty straightforward in and out. I'm gonna attempt to do this as quick as possible. Probably won't be quick, but I can try. So this is super easy. These are all 10 mil all around, so it should be in and out. Even on the valve covers are all 10 mil. And what you're probably gonna need is some extenders and a swivel. This is my terrible tool set. Don't make fun of me. I lost a bunch of my stuff, but this is, I mean, I have what I need. So remember, 10 all around, 10 mil, and then you're gonna have to torque these to a spec. I'll show you how to do that. I actually don't have my mini one. I'm gonna have to go find that. But until then, I'll see you guys soon. Well, we got this off. I definitely want to check my injectors, so I might just disconnect my fuel rail, and if I need new injectors, I'm gonna just go buy some OEM ones and put them in. Other than that, I mean, I did have a lot of oil. That doesn't look too good. It's like, I mean, we're gonna wait and open up both of these valve covers, but we had some oil in there. I wonder if the gaskets went bad somehow. Don't forget to cover that, actually. Let's go get something to cover it. A clean rag, kind of clean, you know what I mean. Let me just inspect it, make sure there's nothing on it real quick. Oh shit. Don't want anything going in there, boys, or you're fucked. So, as you can see, that one's like super wet still. Don't know why. And this one's leaking towards the bottom, so let's get to it. So all of these are 10 mils. You're gonna need to remove your coil packs. So that is causing my misfire. Holy shit. Holy. This was literally off. Holy shit. That's not good. This isn't on. What the f... Oh yeah, I forgot I fucked this up. I'm gonna see if I can put some gasket maker in there to hold it down, but I'm gonna do some ghetto shit. Screw that. All right, boys. I'm gonna start taking these this apart and get it going, because it's only 12:24. So, Romaine called me. Let's see what he wanted. Let's give him a call back. Let's give him a call.
Yeah.
Say what's up to YouTube.
What's poppin', YouTube?
Wow, this is... What?
What you doing?
What do you mean?
What are you doing?
Yeah, you know what I'm doing. I'm swapping the valve covers.
someone called me about my someone hit me up about my bumper.
Really?
Yeah, he's in Ohio. He's like, would you ship to Ohio? I was like, yeah, I would. He's like, can you find out how much shipping would be? I was like, I can give you a rough estimate. So like, if I have to ship, I might give him like a deal and do like $375.
Is that including shipping, or no?
No, without.
All right. Sounds like a plan.
Yeah, because mine already comes pre-drilled.
All right, boys. So I'm gonna do this side first because this side's easier, and then I'll put it back together, and then I'll do that side. But no oil in the sparks, so that's good. Just no oil in here. Pretty nice. But yeah. Other than this, like, you really don't have to remove this, the wiring harness really, to get to it. For anyone wondering, it's pretty easy. You can disconnect it in the back here. There's it's right this clip. You can disconnect it to make it easier for yourself. Okay, I need 2 hands, but you can do that. Pull it through, and also you don't need to take this off because this connects to your intake, but you can take this off, make it easier, pull it back, put it back that way. So yeah, it's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. You will need a swivel, I will say, for the bolt back there, which I'll show you when I do it. And it's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward in and out process. So I'm gonna hurry up and finish this. I'll try and finish this in an hour, so let's see what we can do. Peace. Yo, boys. Here are the cams. It's dual overhead cams, by the way, for anyone wondering. It's V6s, so you have 4 cams. Sheesh. There's no sludge in here whatsoever. This motor is very healthy. I'm just looking at everything. Sheesh. It's actually really healthy. And there's no oil. This motor's at 150,000 miles, by the way, so for anyone wondering, wow, it's pretty nice. And here's the valve cover. I'm just cleaning off the like around it and stuff, so before I put it back on, gotta grab some rags that are clean. I'm not gonna grab my good rag. Just grab a t-shirt, a stupid white beater. So I'm gonna use this John, wipe around it, clean it. Gonna clean that off, replace it with the new gasket, and we'll see if it still leaks. But I don't think that's where the leak is coming from, so I'm actually a little confused now. So I thought there would be sludge in here for sure, but there's not. So that's pretty awesome. I may end up pulling this motor and putting a DE in it and build this motor, or just build the DE and whatever, but we'll see. I'm gonna start scraping off because my dumbass put gasket maker in here. Well, you're supposed to put it on these corners, this corner and the bottom front corner, so that's what the manufacturer does, but you don't want to scrape it too much. I'm just trying to clean it off a little bit. Trying to be gentle. Don't want to make any gashes. So, like my dumbass. So, but I'll be back. I'm gonna finish cleaning this and I'm gonna put it in, and yeah, and I'll do the other side. BRB.
Yo, we back at the Briv, and we got it in with the gasket. Make you see me, you feel me.
We use the stupid ass technique. No, fuck me.
Nah. And now he's just.
I fucked it up.
Now he's. I don't know what he's doing.
I fucked it up.
Damn.
I should have just kept it in.
Damn.
Alright, we gotta do it one more time.
If you see here, these are the cans and everything. If he was a V8, it would actually sound good. So look at that. Look at that inside shot of the cans. It's like Star Wars, bro.
I should have never taken it out. But I needed to put the gasket maker in though.
Yeah, put the gasket maker in anyway.
Yeah, so it don't matter.
I don't even know why he didn't do that first.
Whatever.
He's goofy. Look at this VQ. Slow as hell. Oh, your camera just died.
Really? No, it just turns off the screen.
Well, how can I see what I'm recording?
Just trust you.
Alright, let me get some B-roll of your car. Do you? What the hell? That is so bad. Oh shit. You know, that's why you gotta use your backup camera. This interior kind of clean though. Fuck with it. I see the tinfoil right here though. I don't know about that. That's the steering wheel.
Got it. All right. Now I don't know the torque spec, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna just do Guten tight.
Tight?
Guten tight.
Tighten enough.
I don't care, bro. I just got that bitch back on. That's all that matters.
Look at the VQ. He about to get dusted by me once I come back in the summer. Let's see. We'll see.
Hopefully by then my speaking about that, let me check.
What's he looking for?
Chill. Okay. Robin Hood.
Alright, we just finished the other side. How we feeling?
Fuck this.
You know.
Like actually, bro, if y'all do this yourself, like it's actually a pain in the dick.
Yeah, facts. And you got stuff all over here, bro. Make sure you buy this. Make sure you buy this. Red Loctite. Yo,
I still gotta do
don't put Loctite on.
I still gotta do an oil change.
If you don't need it, like, you obviously gotta get it.
You gotta do an oil change real quick. Luckily, that's literally fucking 30 seconds.
Dumb easy. But yeah, we got this side done and this side done. We did it in about like an hour and a half probably.
I've been here since 9 o'clock.
It'll probably be like
it's almost 5.
It's 10 o'clock now. It'll take you about like probably like an hour and a half if you're smart. It'd take us like 3.
Don't do. Yo, everyone's gonna dread doing this shit,
bro. But you gotta get it done. Maintenance is most important,
bro. Don't do it yourself.
Exclusive.
Make sure you have a friend.
Make sure you know what's up. It's exclusive.
Make sure you have a friend, all right?
Thanks.
Cause this shit's ass.
You just gotta be friends with like a master tech. You feel me?
Yeah, like me.
I am a master tech too.
Let me.
Yo, you're tripping.
Huh?
What are you doing, bro?
I'm
putting some Loctite on the coil packs just cause.
Yeah, some Loctite. Cause I definitely didn't fuck up the. I didn't fuck it up enough. Not at all.